Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear WhatsApp cache on iPhone. Okay, you actually have two methods. The first one is by managing storage inside WhatsApp. The second one is to offload the app. Okay, or basically clearing the cache. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and then here tap on settings at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on storage and data. Tap on manage storage. And in this section, you'll be able to use the option to review and delete items larger than 5 MB. So as you can see here, I don't have that option because this is a fresh install. Okay. So the second option, go ahead over to your settings app. Right here, find general, tap on it, find iPhone storage, tap on it, and just find WhatsApp right here. Tap on WhatsApp and tap on offload app. All right, wait for the process to finish. Tap on reinstall right here. And once the installation process is finished, you're gonna go ahead and reopen WhatsApp and just log in if asked. Okay, there you have it. That is how you clear WhatsApp cache on iPhone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.